Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're signed into OneDrive with the Microsoft account you'll use for files. Open OneDrive from the system tray, select Sign In, and enter credentials. Once signed in, OneDrive asks which folders to back up. Choose Desktop, Documents, and Pictures if you want them synced. Make sure Files on Demand is enabled so you save local disk space. This gets the sync engine running immediately and prepares your PC to exchange files with the cloud continuously. Once done with Sign In, you fine-tune what syncs. Right-click the OneDrive icon and go to Settings. Under Account, click Choose Folders to limit which items download. Enable Files on Demand so files show as placeholders until opened, which preserves disk space. If your network is slow, set upload and download limits under Network. You can also add work or school accounts and confirm OneDrive appears in File Explorer for easy drag and drop access, making sync behavior predictable across folders. You finish by verifying file status. Hover the OneDrive icon to see syncing progress and look for green checks on files. If sync stalls, try pausing and resuming or restart OneDrive from the system tray. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset OneDrive with the built-in command when nothing else works. This reindexes files without deleting cloud data. Make sure your account is active, Windows is updated, and you have sufficient disk space. Once fixed, OneDrive resumes normal sync automatically, so your files stay current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.